Let's get to another story. The Department of Consumer Affairs has reached out to Ola customers to verify the company's claims of resolving 99% of grievances. The response from the customers was disappointing. Abhimanyu is here with some of these details. Abhimanyu, good afternoon.
Well, good afternoon. Ola Electric had earlier made a claim that over 99% of customer grievances had been resolved, following which the Department of Consumer Affairs had reached out to several of these customers. Now, the 250-odd customers they reached out to had revealed dissatisfaction so far, which clearly is indicative of a reply which is quite contrary to what Ola Electric had earlier filed as part of a response. Now, last month, the CCPA had also directed an investigation to be carried out into this by the Director General of the Bureau of Indian Standards, and the reply was to be submitted in 15 days. But what we have learned so far from government sources is that it's taking time, and it may take till the end of this month till the BIS is going to finish its inquiry. It remains to be seen what will emerge from the inquiry, even as government sources have indicated that they are going to reach out to several more customers, in which the total number of customers is over 10,500. So, of course, that is something which is taking time, in which the government is going to corroborate the responses which were earlier submitted by Ola Electric with the real response of the consumers who had been mentioned, and it was claimed by the company that the responses had been resolved. So based on that itself, any future course of action would be undertaken. Earlier, we had also reported from government sources that the government is also considering to expand the ambit of this probe and may send notices to another EV OEM, but it remains to be seen whether there is going to be any further development on that count.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Abhimanyu. Well, as we went through that data point, we had the Nifty that almost went into the green, the Sensex moved into the green, and the mid-cap index continues its party. So it's not such a bad trading session, though the headline index is more or less flattish. Take a look at the number of stocks that advanced.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.